In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss on Charles Schwab app. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First, decide if you want to stop sell order or a trailing stop sell order. So in order to do that, just make sure you are on your Schwab app account, and then you can go ahead, enter market stop or trailing stop orders on Schwab website or app. On the website, go to trade, then go to all-in-one trade ticket, enter the ticket, then action, sell. After that, quantity of shares, order type, stop market or trailing stop. And if it is a stop market, order, enter the trigger price. And if it is a trailing stop, enter the trigger amount either as points, dollars, or percentage. Then enter the timing you want. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.